Mucamanio urathaganitio ni timu ya ateti aria manyitanite kung'ethanira na gavana Kabogo mwena wa Wangigi na itanya kuhingura wabici cia sako imwe na oho kuheana bathi kuri thukuru ithano mwena ucio. Nundathi na mbere ta uria uratanyitwo thutha wa Nyanake guthararia mucamanio ucio. Aria marathaganitie mucamanio ucio maracungirirwo kwirorera matari na wa gwika Nyanake icio kugitira hinya afitha wa borithi uria urarehetwo niguo kugitira muingi. Ateti amwe aria marari mucamanio ucio maracungirwo ni gwithara rungu rwa ugitiri munene kuma kuri arangiri ao. Mitugo ya Nyanake icio ni imenereirwo ni Aikari a Kiambu makihoya gukorwo na firigiceni ya kunina njohi iria icokereirie iria kurerikana niyo iratumire Nyanake icio ithararie mucamanio ucio.
Aria mekohetwo mbia kana tutoikani arethi moka mathukia mucamanio ucio. Mheshimiwa baba yao neuma umwe wa aria mauma mucamanio ucio onake ni athukirio mucamanio.
Mitugo ya unduire wa tene ni yathirire riu twi digital analogu ni tumite njohi ni citigano nacio.
Undu uyu ukite riri gikundi kia onjoria manyitanite na makomba ngwataniro iretwo Peace Initiative na itanyara kuhinjiria ateti maige thayu mbere na thutha wa ithurano.
On his own volition, the governor of the county of Kiambu came to us and said, I want to put my name on the side of peace. And we are asking every single businessman across the country, big or small, to become a merchant of peace.
I personally have signed a peace pledge that I shall maintain peace, I shall keep peace, I shall do everything humanly possible to make sure that here in Kiambu, my participation will be peace participation. And I'm asking my colleagues in the Council of Governors, my colleagues in the national government, our colleagues, our competitors, to also sign and partake the process of making Kenya a peaceful nation.
Governor Kabogo ni umwe wa ateti aria marutite muhito wa gutugiria thayu mbere hindi na thutha ithurano. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV tego Simon Macharia wa Wangui.